Hey, what's up guys? Alan with NVX here, and we got an awesome product to go over with you today. This is our all new XQA25001 SQ high-res monoblock amplifiers. Now, let's dive into a few features on this amplifier that I really love, and I think you will too. One, it's strappable. So if you want to strap two of these together, you can have over 5,000 watts RMS power. But if you only want one, 2,500 watts is a lot of power as well too. So at 4 ohms, this amplifier is going to give you 1,000 watts RMS, 2 ohms, 1,500, and of course at 1 ohm, 2,500 RMS. Now, we never try to disappoint here at NVX, so all of our amplifiers will always meet or exceed, and I can tell you factually, these amplifiers will exceed your expectations. So I'm sure you'll check out the dyno video probably right after this. But anyway, let's hop over to the amplifier itself. Top mount controls, which are some of my favorite features on amplifiers, and it's a single-sided amplifier. So what does that mean? All your power and your inputs and outputs are all on one side, making for a really clean install. So let's look at the side of the amplifier here. You'll see the massive 0-gauge inputs, 8-gauge outputs for speaker wire, and you'll see a switch for main and strap. Now, the way we like to strap this amplifier is all done through an RJ11 cable that's included. So you'll go from one to the other, and this one will control this amplifier automatically. So once this is plugged in and the cable is plugged in over to the secondary amplifier, all your settings will mimic here and you'll be good to go, and you'll have over 5,000 watts of power for your bass setup. So pretty neat. Also, turn on modes. This amplifier, depending on how you're using it, has a couple different configurations. You can have your remote input, which is REM, DC offset, or audio signal sensing. Also, you'll notice the nice Tiffany style RCAs, and through the RCA inputs, you can do either high level or low level. No need for any high-low adapter whatsoever. Now let's jump over to the top mount controls here. You'll see our circuit here, which is our X boost circuit. Now that circuit helps overcome bass roll off with factory audio systems. So if you plan to use this in a factory system, a lot of factory systems today roll off the bass intentionally to help you and prevent you from blowing your factory speakers or subwoofer. Well, with this amplifier, this will allow you to compensate with this circuit and put the rolled off signal back into it, which is awesome. So also you got your low pass filter, bass boost frequency that you can adjust, subsonic filter, phase, and gain. And as I said earlier, when these are strapped, whatever settings you set here will mimic on this amplifier as well too. Now, what makes this high res capable is most amplifiers are typically have a range of 20 to 250 on a bass amp. This has 10 to 400. Not only that, but the premium high quality audiophile grade components that we use and the high speed switching makes it high res capable depending on what type of system you're building. And of course, your other components of your system need to be high res capable to take advantage of it. But needless to say, if you're looking for a ton of power, this amplifier is amazing. So of course, we include the linking cable that's there, our remote bass knob cable, and just like all of our amplifiers, we have 2 ways of mounting our remote bass knob, which is really nice, by the way. You can peel the 3M double stick adhesive tape, pop it on your dash or location where you prefer, especially if you don't want to screw any holes into your dash and make any holes or marks. Or you can use the included screws that it comes with if you'd like to securely mount it. For more information on the XQA2500, make sure you check out the link below. There's a lot more detailed specs. I know you're going to love this amplifier. I do. Make sure you like, subscribe so you can see more awesome videos like this. I'm Alan, and I will see you next time.